Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. I'll follow up on that Marx 1666 that arrived yesterday. 12 bucks on eBay. And it had a wobble in it, so I replaced the axle. As I suspected, it was slightly bent. So just got it put together. Just want to do a quick follow-up on this. It's up and running, as you see. So it was definitely worth the 12 bucks. There's no doubt about that. If I'd only used it for parts, it was worth 12 bucks. And I could have run it the way it was, but I'm not exactly busy right now. So I figured while I had it, I would go ahead and replace that axle. It only took about 5 minutes, and here it is, up and running. Pulling a good size consist. This does not have a traction tire on it. So it runs nice, it looks nice. The only thing missing is the handrails. No idea why they were pulled off. Somebody pulled them off. Anyway, it's complete, runs forward and reverse. Working E-unit, working headlight, front and rear truck. 12 bucks. Really difficult to beat that. Like I said, I didn't have to replace that axle. It would have run the way it was for the rest of my life. But like I said, I'm not really busy right now, so it gave me something to do. I had the parts, so just pulled the wheel off, replaced the axle, pressed them back on. It's up and running. No more shake, no more shimmy. Nice and smooth, running perfectly, as you see. So I'll say it again, don't overlook the junk. 12 bucks on eBay. Running just absolutely splendidly. Has plenty of power, no damage, it's complete, front and rear truck, working E-unit, working headlight. So the only thing missing off of that locomotive are the handrails. As you see, runs nice, looks nice, it was absolutely dirt cheap. So just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.